This episode of iHeart Pasta is sponsored by Green Bean Delivery. With Green Bean Delivery, there's no contract or membership fees, just a $20 minimum order per order. On a weekly basis, you can find around 60 to 90 different produce items, over 1,000 grocery items, including meats from Smoking Goose, breads from Amelia's, Circle Kombucha, and many other locally produced foods. Based on where you live in the community, you'll be given a specific day for delivery, and you can look at Green Bean Delivery as your online farmers market to deliver straight to your home. Green Bean Delivery currently isn't bringing on new customers due to a recent surge in online orders, but if you join their waitlist, they'll notify you immediately as soon as they can create an account for you. Green Bean Delivery was founded in Indianapolis in 2007, it's family owned and operated, but if you live in Louisville, Kentucky, Cincinnati, Ohio, Dayton, Ohio, Columbus, Ohio, Fort Wayne, Indiana, or St. Louis, Missouri, you're in luck, because Green Bean Delivery also is available for you. Hey everyone, welcome to iHeart Pasta. Today we're going to do a goat cheese cavatelli with all the flavors of a Reuben sandwich. So we're going to incorporate some goat cheese from Caprini Farms here in Indiana into our dough. It's going to give a nice tender texture, but it's still going to have that chew that you want with a cavatelli. Pastrami normally takes a couple days to brine, and then you got to cook it, and then it's just a process. So we're going to use some ground turkey. We're going to use some pastrami spices we've already mixed. We're gonna bloom them in the pan in a little bit of oil, and then it's really gonna help bring all those pastrami flavors into effect. We're also gonna add a little bit of Cleveland Kraut, a little bit of caraway in there, really tasty, nice little sour note to kind of give you that Reuben illusion that you want. Can't have Reuben without cheese, so we're gonna do Kentucky Moon from Kinney's Farmhouse, Alpine Swiss style cheese, really delicious, one of my favorite dairies to use. It's a couple hours from my house and a product I really love. Gonna top the whole thing with a Thousand Island style dressing. We're gonna use Quark cheese. It's gonna give you a nice creaminess to stir into your pasta and really kind of bring all those flavors together and meld. But we want a little bit of heat, so we're actually gonna add a little bit of jalapeno into that. And the whole thing's gonna get topped off with some rye breadcrumbs, because you can't have a Reuben without rye. We're using a marble rye, let them dry out already, and then we ground them up. We're just gonna toast them in a pan until they get nice and crunchy. It's gonna give you that nice texture you want on top of a fresh pasta. So with that, let's get cooking. Thank you so much for joining us on this episode of I Heart Pasta. Hope you enjoyed our Reuben-inspired goat cheese cavatelli. Also, thank you to our sponsor, Green Bean Delivery. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.